What's up, guys? Bobby here, Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Another day here working on the Healey. Today we are going to do the tune-up. Oh, guess he's a funny guy. He got a little intake tube for the heater. That is hilarious, and I like it. I don't care. I like it. That's pretty cool. So yes, we're going to do the tune-up today. And and I'm cleaning the tank today. As you can see, I hope you can see in there's rocks. That stuff is nasty in there. Let's see if we can get you in there. There we go. See the rocks? So swish it around. And I got that covered up right there. But yeah, it's working. Coming out pretty clean. Alright guys, so now let's clean out the tank. We already put chem dip in it, put it in there for a week, and you saw earlier in the clip there's rocks in there. I've been swishing it around, so we're going to clean the whole gas tank now. Clean out the inside and the lines. Yeah, look how nasty this crap is. You can still hear the rocks. Alright, I'm gonna get my camera away from here because I don't want this stuff splashing on it, so let me finish up. Is this thing on? Is this thing on? The fender gripper. Mr. Fender gripper. This thing's got a little starter right here, man. Check it out. It's a trip. I don't know if it's supposed to be wired like that, but it's crazy. Alright, let's get this tune-up going. You got the cap and rotor ready? Oh no, we're not doing the cap and rotor, huh? We'll get just the rotor and the points. Man, points are gonna be tough on this thing. Points don't look too bad. Alright, we're only going to change the points, condenser, and the rotor for right now because this one's got a screw-on coil. So we're going to see if we can find another cap like this. If not, we're just going to change the coil, put an MSD coil or whatnot. But we'll see how it runs. Yeah, it looks like the exact same replacement. Check this one out. I don't know how good you can see that, but that's got a pretty good flat surface. Here's the one we took out of the car. Not sure if you can see it again, but there we go on this side. Alright, book says 0.015, 0.38 millimeter. See if I can get it on the open position. But I'm not getting any RPM. Before, when I crank it, the RPM
will rise.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna have to end this video right here. I think I burned out the distributor on this car. As you can see, I got it out. Got the distributor out. I cannot get a spark. I got 12 volts to the coil, 12 volts to the distributor, everything, but no spark. What I think happened is we left the ignition on to test out the turn signal, see which volts were out and everything, and we left it on until the next week or however long, and it killed the battery. So I think I burned out the distributor. So we ordered a new one with electronic ignition, so that should be in a couple more days. So until then, I can't do anything. So yeah, I screwed up, and so I'm pretty sure I burned it out, because all I did was change the points and the rotor. That's all I did, and I had no spark. So I come to believe that, yeah, it burned out. So this is gonna end Bobby's Backyard Artworks on the '66 Healey. So until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that little bell. You'll get updates on when I upload new videos. All right, see you guys later.